subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
You are concerned about weight gain during lockdown, you are not alone. So today we will be discussing about quarantine weight gain and how to come back to track. For more than 1.5 years, the world has been dealing with COVID-19 pandemic. Repetitive lockdowns have brought a brand new set of challenges that affect the daily life of millions. One of the most common complaints is weight gain. Now, for people who were already struggling with obesity, gaining weight during the pandemic added more health risk. Sudden weight gain in healthy individuals who has never been overweight in their life have invited the risk of multiple other lifestyle disorders such as diabetes type 2, hypertension, several heart diseases. The sedentary lifestyle isn't helping. A Facebook survey of 1,200 participants found that about 22% of adults gained weight during the pandemic. A poll among 1,000 American WebMD readers in 2020 revealed that 47% of women and 22% of men said they gained weight due to the COVID-19 quarantine. Even we have evidence from India as well. A cohort analysis among 100 participants during 49 days of lockdown in India showed a trend towards weight gain in 40%, with 16% of population experiencing a weight gain of 2.1 to 5 kg. Chronic stress, sedentary lifestyle, high carbohydrate diet, sugar, and ordering high calorie foods online are some contributing factors to quarantine weight gain. So, what can be done? Before that, we will be discussing what is quarantine diet? What did we have during the prolonged lockdown that we are going through? The quarantine diet has been all about panic buy, stockpiling comfort, convenient, cheap, fast, and junk foods. Maggie, India's one of the favorite instant noodles, saw a 25% rise in sales during the first lockdown. The manufacturer reported all 5 units in India to ramp up Maggie noodles production to meet the demand. Popular biscuit brands, for example, Parle G, Britannia's Good Day, Bourbon, Tiger, Marie, Milk Bikis, Parle's Monaco, Hide and Seek, Crackjack also reported exploding sales amid the lockdown. Instant noodles are highly processed, loaded with refined glucose with zero nutrition value, and found to be linked with obesity and other lifestyle disorders. But the lack of time and work from home meant that urban Indians brought more packaged processed food when they were not ordering it. A Statista report shows that between March and July 2020, the most ordered dish on Swiggy, which is an online odd food ordering platform, was chicken biryani with over 550,000 orders. It was followed by butter naan, masala dosa, chocolate lava cake, birthday cake, and gulab jamun. The other factor is stress, mental health, and the allied complications. Joblessness, financial liabilities, uncertainty spurred by the pandemic led to an increased stress level. Furthermore, quarantine also amplified mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and loneliness. Research has proven that anxiety and depression are associated with chronic risk factor for weight gaining. People struggling with mental health issues lack the motivation of exercise. Very little or no physical activity, work from home, closure of health clubs, sports facilities, along with eating junk contributed to the extra pounds. A 2020 study of over 3,000 US adults found physical activity was reduced by 32.3% among the previously active participants due to the pandemic. Now, how do we get back to the track? That is the most important concern, and we should be working towards that. So, we don't know when the COVID 19 pandemic will end or if we will have more lockdowns. Quarantine is going to be the new normal for the time being, and you must incorporate some good old habits in this new lifestyle. So, the first step is to make more home cooked meals. The change that comes from the kitchen itself. Stop buying junk foods like instant noodles, biscuits, and snacks. Try planning a healthy meal every Sunday with your family to bring the inclusiveness. A 2017 observational study in almost 40,500 French participants found that meal planning was associated with a healthier diet and less obesity. The second step comes as say no to processed foods, eat more whole foods. Start eating fruits, vegetables, more protein, and whole grains to restore the lost dietary habit. Eat more home cooked meal and make sure that you are indulging with your family. A 2017 population based cohort study the United Kingdom suggests that eating 5 home-cooked meals per week was made participants 28% less likely to be overweight and 24% less likely to have excess body fat percentage. Shopping is very important. So we need to now become a smart shopper. If you buy healthy, you will eat healthy. Stock up healthy staples like pulses, whole grains, frozen or fresh, colorful fruits and vegetables. Avoid mindless shopping by making a grocery list for 2 years, 2 weeks in advance. Move more, do what you love. Start with walk around the neighborhood, some stretches and yoga. In fact, a morning walk in the sun can get you some vitamin D as well. Try home workout apps, online personal training, online Zumba classes, etc. A 2015 United States study involving 726 participants found exercise app users were more likely to work out during their leisure time compared to those who do not use exercise apps. Make a fresh routine. Even though you are at home, a daily routine will help you in restoring a sense of normality. Fix times for waking up, eating, exercise, office work, leisure, and stick to that. A sleep routine is a must as lack of sleep is associated with obesity. So, to conclude, go easy with yourself. These are very, very crucial and trying times. Weight gain is frustrating, depressing, and stressful. But too much self criticism can lead to negative thoughts that will affect your mental health and make the whole process tougher than the usual. Take it slow, one step at a time. Be kind to yourself. After all, we are going through a pandemic.